Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I'm just in a Starbucks in the Meatpacking District in New York. Now, this is a Starbucks with a different. They sell coffee that they don't sell in any other Starbucks. In fact, they roast it all here. You can see over there, it's where they're roasting the beans right now. And this place is designed to give an experience unlike anywhere else. And that's a really important thing in business. If you can create an experience, you'll be packed out like this place. Now, this is just a Thursday morning. This place is absolutely packed. They have all sorts of different things for sale here. They've got all these different sections. Over there, they've got all these different coffees. They've got people making like pizza over there. Up there, there's a bar, and they've got all sorts of things going on here. And this place, as I said, is very, very different to your normal Starbucks. It is all about the experience. Now, think how you could use that in your business. What could you do to make sure you stand out in your business? Because if you can give people a good experience, then of course they're going to remember you, right? That's the key here, is to give them a memorable experience so they want to come back for more. Now, this place is mad. Look, down there you've got all sorts of different cakes and desserts and all sorts of things. They've got all these different sorts of merchandise here that you can't get anywhere else. And getting that across in your business is really important to standing out. Everyone in here is taking pictures. Everyone in here is checking in. They don't do that in a normal Starbucks. And that's what you need to do. So think about how you could do that in your business. I'd love to hear your feedback. Comment below, give me some likes and some hearts, subscribe, like the channel, whatever it is that needs to be done to make sure that you keep getting these videos, because I'll teach you important business lessons and how you can use those to grow your business too. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.